Understanding sales leads, a comprehensive guide. Sales leads are foundational elements in the sales and marketing landscape. Understanding what a sales lead is, how it operates, and the intricacies involved can significantly enhance a business's ability to attract potential customers and drive conversions. What is a sales lead? A sales lead is defined as an individual or business that has not yet become a customer but possesses the potential to do so. This concept extends to the data that identifies these entities as potential buyers of products or services. Businesses typically acquire sales leads through various channels, including advertising, trade shows, direct mail campaigns, third-party referrals, digital marketing efforts. It's crucial to recognize that a sales lead is not the same as a sales prospect. A lead is merely a connection point that needs further evaluation, qualification, and nurturing before it can be considered a true prospect. Key characteristics of sales leads. Sales leads have specific attributes that determine their quality and potential for conversion. Some essential factors include 1. Incentive awareness, whether the individual or business had a clear motivation or incentive to provide their contact information. 2. Data accuracy, the reliability and correctness of the contact information provided by the lead. 3. Lead validity, the extent to which the lead was aware of the sales opportunity when they shared their information. Effective lead generation also considers the interests and needs of potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. The sales process involving sales leads. 1. Lead generation. The process begins with sales professionals generating leads through various marketing strategies. 2. Qualification. Once a lead is acquired, it is then qualified to assess its relevance and readiness for the sales process. 3. Sales pipeline integration. Qualified leads are entered into the company's sales pipeline, where sales professionals leverage the provided contact information to engage with potential customers through personalized emails, direct marketing campaigns, outbound calls. The digital era of sales leads. With roughly 91.8% of Americans accessing the internet regularly as of 2023, online platforms have transformed lead generation. Businesses are presented with opportunities to identify unmet consumer needs and provide innovative solutions. This is largely achieved through content marketing, offering valuable information via ebooks, webinars, podcasts, and blogs to engage potential customers. Lead magnets. These are incentives designed to collect lead information. Common forms include free trials, consultations, white papers, and discount offers. Despite the opportunities the internet provides, businesses must navigate the challenges posed by online consumers' reluctance to share personal information. Implementing privacy measures and being transparent about data usage becomes essential in building trust. Social media marketing as a lead generation tool. Social media has emerged as a powerful tool in lead generation strategies. Here's how businesses can effectively utilize it. Engagement. Create interactive campaigns that encourage users to comment, share, and like content. Lead magnets on social platforms. Offer free resources or exclusive discounts in exchange for user contact information. This approach not only bolsters brand awareness but also serves as a direct line to potential customers, effectively creating a sales funnel from casual browsers to active buyers. Alternative methods of acquiring sales leads. Beyond digital and advertising efforts, there are several traditional and alternative methods for finding sales leads, such as networking events and trade shows. These venues provide direct access to potential customers and industry-specific contacts. Community engagement. Businesses can establish a positive presence through social responsibility initiatives, which can generate goodwill and leads. Cold calling. Though often seen as outdated, cold calls can still yield valuable leads when done thoughtfully. Understanding sales qualified leads, SQLs. A sales qualified lead, SQL, is a lead that has progressed through the sales pipeline, demonstrating sufficient interest and intent to purchase. SQLs are often prioritized over other leads because they are perceived as having a higher likelihood of conversion. Data privacy and lead management. As businesses collect and store increasing amounts of data from sales leads, privacy and data security become paramount. Companies may invest in cyber and privacy insurance to mitigate the financial repercussions of data breaches. With regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, it's vital for companies to comply with legal requirements to protect customer information. The timeline of converting leads into customers. The time it takes to convert a sales lead into a customer varies widely depending on several factors, including product complexity. Higher value products typically require more lead nurturing and time for consumer considerations. Brand exposure. Consumers may need multiple exposures to a brand before making a purchase decision, often requiring at least 7 interactions. Conclusion. A sales lead is not just a potential customer, it is a vital data point that can catalyze the entire sales process. Businesses that understand how to effectively generate, manage, and convert sales leads can significantly enhance their sales efficiency and revenue. By leveraging traditional methods and innovative digital strategies, companies can build strong relationships and develop a robust pipeline of prospective customers. As the landscape continues to evolve with technological advancements, staying informed and adaptable remains essential for successful lead generation and customer conversion.